So from here I would like us to orbit this drawing the other way. So let's go to orbit and let's orbit it this way. Okay, there, and keep it this way. So from here let's go back to the coordinates and we drop down to take the face. Let's place the face this way, okay, and enter. From here let's go to the rectangle command. Click, then there is an opening here, okay, you start from here, so you snap here, then let's pull it this way and type in, and let's type in 3.7 by 2.1. Enter. Then enter again to activate the rectangle command. Then snap at this point. Let me zoom so that you see well. Then pull it upwards and type in 1.6 by 2.1. Enter. Then from here we have this lift opening, this door of the lift. Then we activate the rectangle command. Then we click at this end, we take it upwards and we type in 1.18 by 2.1. Enter. Then let's enter again to activate. Then we click here and we'll take it right up to this other endpoint so that we'll have something like that. Then I would like us to translate the work so that we see what we've done so far. So now you see that we already have our openings here. Then the next thing we'll do is let's go to the press pull command. Then you click here, then you pull it inwards and you click. Then you bring it this way, you click here, pull it inward and you click. Here the same, you click here, pull it inward and we click. But here we're going to shift this wall in, okay. Then sorry for that. Then we come here, we pull it inward and we click. Here the same, we pull inward and we click. And finally we pull it inward and we click. Then now let's come to this other way. Then we click, pull it inward, we click. Here the same, we pull inward and we click. Here the same, we pull inward and we click. So I would like us to orbit the work. So we zoom, then we go to the orbit command. Then let's take it this way. Okay, there we are. Then now let's zoom. Then let's go back to press pull. Then let's punch here and we click. the same here, and we click. We do same here, and we click. So it's like here I forgot one window here, so let me quickly make another window here. So let's go back to wireframe. So let's go back to the rectangle command, then we bring it and we click here and we pull it upward, and let's type in, sorry for that, let's type in 0.8 by 0.5, enter. Then from here let's select and we move. So we're gonna move from here to here. Very good. So now let's go to the press spool. Then we click here and press pull inward and we click. Now let's give it last shot. Okay, so we're gonna have something like this. Then from here I would like us to create our window frames. Okay, so we come here, let's select this polyline and we move. Let's move it out somewhere here to work here, okay, before we take it in. So I'm just gonna do it off camera, then so that you only see the end result. In that, I would like you to go back to see our tutorials in window making. Okay.